Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Hey friends, so in today's video, let's take a look to determine what your entryway style is. We have about 8 or 9 different types of home decor styles for you to really look and see what your favorite is. We're going to start with tropical, only because I've really been into the tropical mood lately. Of course, to achieve this, go with natural colors that you would see in paradise. Your greens to kind of simulate nature, some of your blues. You can go with a lot of wicker or rattan furniture, and of course bold bright colors. Moving on to the English country home decor style. Now this look draws its inspiration from country homes in England. In particular, it is based on the more traditional houses of families who have really occupied the countryside for generations past. If you have room in your entryway for chairs, go with a Chippendale type chair, different types of rustic looking wood. You're going to go with some of your more vintage artworks, of course slip covers and ruffles. Lots of ruffles in this style. If you have room for a small table, a nice tablecloth with layers of ruffles will really give you the look that you're craving if you're craving the English country vibes. A modern farmhouse entryway combines the charm of a traditional farmhouse with the sleekness of modern design. The entryway typically features a neutral color palette, natural wood elements, and plenty of texture. A statement light fixture and a decorative mirror add character and style to the space. A functional bench or console table can be used for storage and organization while also serving as a focal point for the room. Now, a neutral entryway is a versatile and timeless design choice for any home. By using neutral colors such as white, beige, or gray, the entryway can provide a calming and welcoming atmosphere that's really easy on the eyes. The neutral color scheme can also serve as a backdrop for more dramatic or colorful accents, such as a statement piece of art or a really vibrant rug. Adding texture throughout, natural materials like wood and stone or woven elements can further enhance the natural, neutral aesthetic. Also, a neutral entryway also allows for easy seasonal updates, as it can easily accommodate holiday or seasonal decor without having to switch your other decor around. By creating a neutral entryway, homeowners can achieve a timeless and elegant space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Scandinavian entryway is typically characterized by its minimalist and functional design. This style often incorporates natural materials like wood, stone, and leather to create a warm and inviting space, usually called hygge. A simple color palette of white, gray, and black is often used, with pops of natural wood and greenery to add texture and interest. Storage solutions are key in a Scandinavian entryway, with cleverly designed built-in cabinets and shelves to keep shoes, coats, and other items organized and out of sight. Think IKEA. Lighting is also an important element, with the use of natural light and strategically placed lamps to create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Overall, a Scandinavian entryway is both practical and stylish, making it the perfect introduction to a Scandinavian-inspired home. A Bohemian entryway is all about creating a welcoming and eclectic space that reflects the free-spirited and unconventional nature of Bohemian style. This style often incorporates bold and vibrant colors, patterns, and textures to create a playful and inviting atmosphere. An array of vintage and handmade items are often used, such as macrame wall hangings, colorful rugs, and eclectic art pieces. Plants are also a key element in a Bohemian entryway, with lush greenery and potted plants adding to the natural and relaxed feel of the space. Furniture pieces are often a mix of vintage and modern, with mismatched seating and unique storage solutions adding to the eclectic charm. Lighting is also important in a Bohemian entryway, with the use of warm and soft lighting to create a cozy and inviting ambiance. Overall, a Bohemian entryway is a celebration of creativity and individuality, making it the perfect introduction to a Bohemian-inspired home. Alright, so last but not least, mid-century modern entryways are characterized by their sleek, minimalist designs that embody the aesthetic of the mid-20th century. Now, these entryways often feature clean lines, geometric shapes, and a real focus on functionality, all while maintaining an inviting and welcoming atmosphere. If you've noticed, I said that in almost each one because that is what an entryway is really for, to really just foster this sense of inviting someone in and welcoming them to your home. Now, materials such as wood, glass, and metal are really commonly used in mid-century modern entryways with an emphasis on natural finishes and textures. So to enhance the overall aesthetic, lighting fixtures and artwork are carefully selected to really complement the design. Now, with their timeless appeal and functional design, mid-century modern entryways continue to inspire architects and homeowners alike. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.